Ziegler prides itself in having unmatched product support capabilities. That product will come back to them with like new performance, like new specs, and give them the flexibility they need for their business.
Every time the machine leaves here, it's going to be ready for another 10,000 hours. So in the rebuild process, you know, we would be looking at everything every time we tear it down.
Once the machine comes in, it'll come into like our customer repair shop where they will do the disassembly of the machine. They'll remove the engine, tranny, final drives, hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic cylinders will go over to our hydraulic shop that's on site. Transmissions, final drives will all go to our spec shop. Parts will go to our machine shop. If there's welding needed, we got a welding shop.
As we get further along in the rebuild process, we have the ability to go further into the machine, electrical systems, frames, bores, different things like that in order to rebuild the machine almost completely as if it's from scratch.
We would go ahead and do any modifications while we're rebuilding the machine. So I like to think we actually put out a better product than what they bought new.
What we typically try to target with a rebuild at Ziegler is 50% the cost of a new machine. Also, the ability to put and reset a warranty on that machine will give the customer further savings as they go forward as repair and maintenance becomes a factor.
From an investment standpoint, each time you would normally replace the machine with a new machine, if you're saving 50%, then the cost per hour over the life of the machine is significantly lower than replacing new every year.
Competitive machines certainly can be rebuilt, but they're not engineered to the same standards as Caterpillar machines to accept those type of rebuilds.
We've had competitors come to us asking us to rebuild their machines for them.
I like to brag about our guys and say we can rebuild an entire machine in a time frame that they can send back one component to be rebuilt.
You know, we may not be the cheapest when it comes to some of these options, but we'll full value when it's done right, and we'll stand behind it.
I think rebuilds are it's the epitome of what we would call partnership.
We are a partner with our customer. Our goal is to make our customers successful.
For me, helping a customer is the reason that we're here. It's the most gratifying part of our job, is being able to provide the customer what they expect and to surpass that expectation whenever possible.
Our values are one of integrity. We say what we're going to do and we do what we say. Everything we do is safety conscious. We're customer focused. Our goal is to help our customers become successful.